From the first trials in the 1970s, it was clear that soilless cultures would not be successful without high-level irrigation and fertigation systems. Nowadays, plant complexity, high-yield varieties, and tighter economical margins make this even more true for strawberry greenhouse projects. That's where we come in. With our know-how, our irrigation, fertigation, and climate control concepts, we get the most out of your project, letting you grow strawberries the whole year round. Even inexperienced farmers can rely on us and Munters with the help of their sophisticated, simple-to-maintain fertigation and climate control systems. We pay high attention to efficiency and reliability, providing the plants with exactly the nutrients and climatic environments needed to achieve top yields, day by day, week by week, and year by year.